I would like to demonstrate the function of the InteLIFT balancer today. We're going to demonstrate the dump function, which will allow us to empty a bucket of water while the Ingersoll InteLIFT balancer maintains the bucket height during the operation. Next, we'll show you the controls that we'll use to do this. Okay, so we have the ergonomic InteLIFT pendant handle, starting with the green button, which is the power on. We've already got the power on. The rocker switch for up-down motion, clamp button, which we won't be using for this function, and then we will set the InteLIFT function on for dump mode, and we have the speed selection button, and right now we're set on the slowest speed. Finally, the emergency stop button to shut the InteLIFT unit off. Now we'll show you how the dump feature works. Okay, so we'll start by lifting the bucket using the rocker switch. Lift the bucket into position, and using dump mode, we'll pour the water into the bucket. You'll hear the balancer exhaust air throughout this function in order to maintain the height of the bucket. So as you can see, the bucket height remained the same throughout the pouring operation, allowing the operator to easily dump the water into the bucket without the hook raising during the operation. That's the functionality of dump mode for the Ingersoll InteLIFT balance.